Did you know one pharaoh almost destroyed Egypt by banning every god the people had worshipped for 3,000 years? Prince Amenhotep IV shocked the ancient world when he became pharaoh. He threw out all the old gods and said everyone must worship only Aten, the sun disk. He changed his name to Akhenaten, meaning servant of Aten. He shut down every temple in Egypt. Thousands of priests lost their jobs overnight. Workers smashed religious statues and paintings that had stood for centuries. He even moved the capital from Thebes to a brand new city called Amarna, built in the middle of the desert. His wife Nefertiti and daughters became priestesses of this new religion. But Egypt was falling apart. The army lost battles. The economy crashed. People rebelled. Territory from Nubia to Syria slipped away. After 17 years, Akhenaten died. His successor Tutankhamun immediately brought back the old gods. Officials erased Akhenaten from all records. They abandoned Amarna completely. For 3,000 years, sand buried this incredible story until archaeologists finally dug it up.